Hey friends, welcome back again. Today in this video we'll solve this expression, and the problem here is x cube minus 555 cube, that is equal to 333 cube plus 440 cube. Then we'll have to find the value of x. So friend, please subscribe my channel and also give thumbs up to the video. Let's start the video. Now for solving this type of problem, we'll write the x value in the left hand side and the rest value in the right hand side. So we can write x cube, that is equal to, we'll write this 555 in the right hand side. So we'll write first this 333 cube plus 444 cube plus 555 cube. This 500 here is positive 555. Now we'll further simplify this 333, that is the multiplication of 111 and 3. So 3 times 111 is 333, that is cube. Likewise, plus 444, we can write 111 times 4, that is cube, plus this 555 is 111 times 5 and cube. Now it is in the form of two values multiplication, means a times b, and that is powered by m. So we can write it as a powered by m times b powered by m. So therefore we can write 111 cube times 3 cube plus here 111 cube times 4 cube plus 111 cube times 5 cube. So in the next step, here 111 cube is common in every term, so we'll take 111 cube common, and the remaining here is 3 cube, and here 4 cube, and here it is 5 cube. Now we'll simplify it. It is 111 cube times, here we'll write the value of 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 plus, likewise 4 cube is 64 plus 5 cube is 125. And now we'll write 111 cube as it is, and the value of it is, and now we'll add the value 7 and 4 11 and 5 16 6, remaining 1, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 6 9 and 2 11, 1, remaining 1, 1 and 1 2, so it is 216. So we'll write 111 cube, and 216 is the cube of 6, so we can write 6 cube. This is the value of x cube. So now if you look at here, the power is same, 3 and 3, so therefore we can write x cube, that is equal to 111 times 6 and whole cube. So 111 times 6 is 666, and that is cube. So here we have calculated x cube value is 666 cube. Here again the power is same, 3 and 3, so we'll equate the base. Likewise, the base is 6 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side it is 666. So friend, here we have calculated the value of x, that is 666. This is our answer of the questions. So friend, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.